So through this winternship, I want to get an experience of what it feels like to actually work in the field, because even within the first 2 days of this internship, I realized that learning computer science in school and actually implementing it are two completely different things.
I hope to leave this internship a more confident and reassured person.
Well, whenever I pictured my career in tech, I always thought about cybersecurity, but being here at Cognizant Softvision and doing app development, I am happy to be exposed to a different sector of the tech field. As a woman of color in tech, I would also love to be a role model for other little girls who look like me and are intimidated by joining this male-dominated field.
So WiTNY is empowering women to help join tech roles within their life. I gained a lot of tools that I will definitely take with me for the rest of my life within my job field, and even just how I interact with others.
My advice for other students is definitely apply for more internships. Be on the lookout for other programs in partnership with us from Cognizant Softvision, but also try to apply to anything else that you can. Definitely is going to help your career, and it's going to give you a glimpse of what the software engineering role is.
I gained a lot during my time with the internship. I came in with major imposter syndrome, and I think that I'm leaving much mentally stronger than I was when I came in the beginning.
To students who are trying to get into the tech career, my advice would be to focus more on learning rather than being afraid about not being prepared for the internship, because every internship is a learning experience and people don't expect you to always know everything.
From this internship, one of the most valuable experiences I gained was I truly learned what it means to work in a team.
Well, thank you for joining our demo. We'll be taking